Hey everyone, this is Peter with Goodereader.com, and here it is, the long-awaited Nova Pro. This is part of the Nova series with a glow light. It does have a Stylus layer as well. It runs PDF, EPUB, MOBI, HTML, text, DJVU, FB2, DOC, CHM, JPG, PNG, BMP, MP3, WAV, etc. Here's the back. You guys can look at the specs, pause the video at any point in time if you want to see them, and we're just going to go ahead and crack this bad boy open for the first time. So the box is the same Boox box they've always had for a while now. It's a very hard cardstock. They put a lot of money into it. Here is the device itself. We're going to put that off to the side for 1 second, and we're going to explore the rest of the box. This is always really hard to get out because it is fitted to the exact dimensions. So what do we have in the box here? We have the Stylus, and that will be the Stylus that works across pretty much any Wacom device. So the Boy You Like Book, Mimas, the Likebook Muses, etc. They all kind of work the same there. So you have that. You also have the USB-C cable, one end USB-C, one end full USB for transferring data and charging the device, of course. And you have all the documentation, the warranty information. We're just going to go through the quick start guide just briefly. You guys can pause the video at any point in time if you want to see any of these panels, just like that. And we'll put this all back because we're going to explore the device itself now. We're going to put that off to the side. Here is the Boox Nova. This is a review unit, so this will be on the other side when it comes time to actually getting your device. Just going to slide this out if I can. These things are always kind of hard to open sometimes. There we go. So the device is a flush screen and bezel, so you don't need a screen protector. If you have a screen protector, that's totally fine. You can put one on. I mean, you know, you're free to do so. You have the single button at the bottom. At the back, you have a very nice plastic. It doesn't have too much of that snap between the circuit board and the battery and the back of the device, so that's really nice. You have a power button up top, nothing on the sides, and everything happens at the bottom in terms of the USB-C cable. That's basically it. This thing is extremely simplistic. There's no SD card, and actually, there's not even those little tiny Torx screws, so you can service your own device. So they have gotten rid of those, unlike on previous models. So this is the Nova unboxing. There will be much more coming from Goodereader in terms of coverage on this device, but so far that is all we have for this unboxing video. It's a very simplistic device. They keep it really easy. You have 3 items and a warranty guide. That's it. For Goodereader.com, this is Peter.